Welcome to lab activity number 3 for Thermoplastic Resins Lab. This is your Thermogravimetric Analysis lab. I'm going to walk through the Canvas module for you as an overview before you start the activity. So here is your Canvas module that covers this particular lab activity. As always, we're going to start with the weekly overview that talks about what the lab is about, the objectives, and then all of the steps to complete your lab activity. So of course the lab activity document is where we're going to start. This gives some background on thermogravimetric analysis, or TGA, and then what a typical TGA looks like, and then what you're going to be doing with the TGA presented in your data packet. Now this is the second lab we've had that has a data packet, and once again this is actual data that I gathered on these two resins, Lustran and Lexan, and I'm going to be asking you questions that you get from the TGA data, like onset of degradation, complete degradation temperature, which is more thermally stable based on TGA, and then based on the data, which one of these is Lustran and which one of these is Lexan. So that will be the questions that you're going to be asked in your lab summary. So here is the summary data. This shows the two TGA curves. Also present here, that'll be covered on your quiz, is this lab activity, of course, and then the second half of the polymer thermal analysis. Now in the first one where we did DSC, we had a background on thermal analysis and then DSC in the second video. I'm just asking that you look at the second video in this series, because this is where the TGA analysis is covered for polymer thermal analysis. So please watch this video, look at your lab activity, and then do lab quiz number 3. After you've looked over your data, please complete your summary. And so once again, your summary is due before 11:59 on the appointed day, and this is what your summary will cover. So answer each one of these. So the temperature ramp, what they were heated to, the onset of degradation for both resins, the complete degradation temperature for both resins, which one you think is more thermally stable, and then based on the data from TGA and then from those data sheets that you uploaded in your DSC lab, which one of those is A and which one of those is B. So once again, 25 points, 5 points per question. And again, this is all found in this week's module. Good luck, and I will see you next week.